birds on the boardwalk. They have a bird drop-off center here. This is the Seabird Rehabilitation Sanctuary. I didn't even know this was back here. How cool is this? You just like go in here. Yes, you can. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Oops. Let's give them dead mice. It's a red-shouldered hawk. Going to the Marine Science Center. Those birds were so cute. But now I'm going to see the aquatics. Marine Science Center. Let's see what the admission is. Seniors 50 plus. Oh no. That's a senior. I thought 55 and up. Oh well. $7. Adults $8. Youth 3 to 12, 5 and under 3 free. Huh. I thought seniors was 55 and up. Jeez Louise. That old Florida oak tree. Walking, walking, walking over the bridge. On the bridge. The beach is right over there. See some scrub brush and whatnot. I think it's free out here. But if you go inside, I think you have to pay. Well, we'll find out. Okay, what's over here? Oh, still my birds. Oh, a Cooper's hawk. Oh, hello. Oh. Hate seeing birds in cages, but I think they're being rehabilitated. What's over here? Oh, an eastern screech owl. Must be in the box. I don't see it. Oh, beautiful. A red-tailed hawk. Oh, look at that beautiful owl. A great horned owl. Oh, look at a peregrine falcon. Beautiful. Red-shouldered hawk. Beautiful bird. Having a little snack. Must be sad that they're in this cage. I feel bad for them. Hope you could see it too good. It's a little dark there. Let's see, where's that bird? Here it is, right here. So it's better zoomed out. It's a red-shouldered hawk.
Right off of our main gallery, through the double doors is our turtle terrace, so you can see all the sea turtles we're currently rehabbing.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, and then we have a cool classroom in here behind me. It has snakes, turtles, cool specimens in jars.
Ooh.
And then we do have 2 bird sanctuaries down this way, past the bathrooms. And then we also have an exhibit about sharks and shark jaws on the outside wall here.
Oh, yeah, I saw that. Yeah, there's some teeth out there.
And then we do turtle and bird releases. Our December releases are listed right there on that board.
Oh, great.
And then right off of our main gallery, through the double doors is our turtle terrace, so you can see all the sea turtles we're currently rehabbing.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, and then we have a cool classroom in here behind me. It has snakes, turtles, cool specimens in jars.
Ooh.
And then we do have 2 bird sanctuaries down this way, past the bathrooms. And then we also have an exhibit about sharks and shark jaws on the outside wall here.
Oh, yeah, I saw that. Yeah, there's some teeth out there.
And then we do turtle and bird releases. Our December releases are listed right there on that board.
Oh, great.
And then...
How cool is this place? Look at the fishies. Look at the fishies. Look at the fish. Hello, fishy. Some face, huh? Hello, fishy. Cute fish. Got a cute face. Don't touch the fish, they'll bite. That's what the sign says. Not a touch tank, but they have touch tanks here. You could touch the stingrays. And that's something. Eee, look at that. Mosquitoes. Oh, look at this. Offshore reefs. Offshore reefs, life on the ledge. Isn't that relaxing? Fish tanks are so nice. Just chilling out. Beautiful fish. Ooh, look at that one. It's hanging onto the coral. These are red lionfish. We have a little tank over there. Unless I go into the other part of the tank. Oh, an eel. Check out the eel. Ooh, look at the eel. Some eel, huh? Ooh, look at that face. We have a turtle terrace out that way. And this is a biofluorescence mystery glow. Wow, biofluorescence is the ability of animals to absorb blue light and emit it as a different color. Usually bright green, orange, or red. Now, how cool is that? Look how beautiful that fish is. Beautiful color. This is a touch pool. You could actually touch the stingrays. Oh, look at that. Look at the stingrays.
Are you liking our little friends here? They are so
These are Atlantic stingrays, and you can touch them. Do I touch it? Touch it? I'm trying to touch it. Well, in Florida, when the stingrays are in their natural environment, they say they're underneath the sand. You do a stingray shuffle, so you don't get stung by the stingrays. You move your feet around in the sand. It's called the stingray shuffle. They're going in circles. They have a feeding here. You could feed them soon too. They're doing a feeding in about 7 minutes. Look at that. The face. Or Volusia County Habitat Conservation Plan. That's like the eggs of the sea turtles. They mark it off at the beach. And you're not supposed to go near those areas. Oh, look at this. That's the little hospital in there where they take care of the turtles, the 6 sea turtles. Isn't that something?
Hello everyone, welcome to Birdie Science. My name is Anna. I'm going to talk to you guys just a little bit about the ambassadors we have here in Festival. You guys are going to be eating calories.
You can feed stingrays today.
Those are those are the different types of fish. We have our fish with bones and our fish with cartilage and skeletons. So skeletons made of cartilage. That's the reason why you don't see shark skeletons anywhere. Really like those kind of jaws. So sharks, skates, and rays, they're all part of the same family. They're all called elasmobranchs. I'm going to quickly go over our voting here before I get ahead of myself. The silver guys, the black bars, are going to be our school exposure majors. The ones that are turned a dark color, it's the same type of fish. Those are the males. They're currently spending against their eggs. So they're going to those. The purple and yellow fish are going to be our Spanish hogfish. The big red fish with the big eyes somewhere, he is our squirrel fish over yonder. He has these big eyes because in the wild you can look deep in the water column. Big as the eyes were like reflect better as you can see. And then last but not least, we have our lone silverfish, the black one with the stripe. That is our snook. Fun fact about snook, they're a really popular game fish here in Florida. And they all are born male. By the time they get 18 to 20 fishes, they actually become females. Great population. Those are all our fish with bones. Now we're going to go back to our last little bronze. Our sharks, skates, and rays, all of our cards, minutes, colors, and here. We're going to start off with our sharks. We have 4 white spotted red sharks. Really closely related to your sharks. Biggest difference is that the largest reported shark ever was like 14 feet long. These guys are full grown 3 feet. So I don't know about you, but I would have to take care of sharks. So our baby sharks work pretty well. They're also nocturnal, which is why they're not super active right now. They're going to be active at night.
Diamondback terrapin.
Variation of colors. Now this is all kinds of colors. Second, that's dark coloration. Not because of the really light color. So if our sharks, we also have a
Turtles. Underneath the light.
back in that corner. He's got this really pretty kind of pale pink coloration with brown dots.
Disturbing. What is this? Coral reefs. Disappearing rainforests of the sea. Gotta preserve those coral reefs.
They're part of the same family, sharks and rays. These are the last one too. Each doesn't have stingers or a bar to distinguish this from shark with teeth. They actually have this really rigid spine. And a lot of times the wild snakes bury themselves in the sand or hide from predators.
Humpback
So if you're a
whale.
predator looking for dinner, you go to investigate something under the sand and it's spiky. You
not really big and spiky as you can see. So his experience is worse. He does swim up really touch. Okay, so we have our Atlantics. Those are those two little guys. And the shadows. Yeah, the cow noses, exactly. We're gonna start with the Atlantics. Larger one is our female. Her name is Spice. Smaller one with the blue tip to his fins is our male. His name is Sugar. So Sugar and Spice. These guys are a benthic species, which means their bottom colors. They're not gonna swim up like the cow noses do. Not only are Atlantic stingrays one of the smallest species of stingray in the world, they're also part of what's called the whiptail family. So, you guys know how a stingray stings?
Yeah, they've got like the bars on their tail, and they like whip them at them, and then it does this, and they're like, oh shoot, I gotta get out of here.
So stingrays have this thing called a barb, made out of keratin, which is the same thing your fingernail is made out of. It's serrated on either end, and it's coated with a light venom. So because these guys are part of the whiptail family, that means their barb is placed about a third of the way down their tail, like you said. So what's going to happen is if you accidentally step on your bovine Atlantic, it's going to whip its tail up in self-defense because it thinks you're a big scary predator, just to them you are, and it's going to sting you. So there's no venom on a stinger that's actually lethal to humans, but it is a puncture wound, like it's a whole barb. So it's going to make for a super not fun day and get trips in the ER to make sure it doesn't get infected. One thing you guys can do to avoid having to worry about that is do something called the stingray shuffle. So where instead of picking up your feet in the water, you just shuffle your feet around. That way, you're sending out vibrations, you're letting any stingrays or other critters know, hey, I'm coming in, I don't want to mess with you. And guess what? They don't want to mess with you either, so they're going to swim away. So, we have our Atlantics, and we can talk about our cow noses, our little drone queens. They get their names because they have that little white opening. Kind of looks like a cow's nose at the top of their face.
Tape right here.
See if I can find a picture of it. They moved all my pictures around the state. It takes me 10 million
It's like
years.
a puppy almost. It's like a puppy too.
Here we go. Okay, so this little white opening kind of looks like a cow's nose. It's actually not technically their nose, and it's not their mouth either. It's called their rostrum, or their fake nose. So, whereas we have 5 senses, a lot of morphodonts have an extra one. It's called ambulatory lorenzini, which is a mouthful, but it basically just allows them to detect electromagnetic impulses through the water. So like if you have your hand in the tank right now, and if I were to put my hand in your seat, they would be able to feel my pulse, right? So they would know I was there. So cow knows when he's hunting, let's say cow nose is craving oyster for dinner, he's gonna kind of swim along the bottom, he's gonna open and close that cow nose, send out his little electroreceptors, because he has little jelly packet filled pores he uses for that 6th sense, right? And then, once he feels the faint heartbeat or the pulse of an oyster, he's going to swim up, and he doesn't eat the shell, so we don't eat the shell either, right? But he's going to take that oyster into his mouth, which is on the bottom. You can see he's got this adorable little zipper-like smile, set of gills on either side. He's going to take that oyster in his mouth, then he's going to use his flat and blunt dental plates to crush and grind up the shell of that oyster. Then he's just going to spit out the shell, he'll do a little wrap around, and he'll suck up the meat inside. So, just like us, these guys, they eat a lot of shellfish, they don't like eating the shell, right? Fun fact, though, have you guys ever heard sharks go through hundreds of teeth in their lifetime? Stingrays do too, even though they don't have true teeth, they have dental plates. And you actually go through and we'll like scoop in through here and we'll find the dental plates of these stingrays. It's really cool. It's estimated they break off a piece of their dental plates every 10 days or so. They're going to consistently grow new ones throughout their whole life, so they do not have to go to the dentist.
I'm gonna try it.
And then he just comes in.
What do you just put your elbow in, right?
Go down in quite a way.
I got my elbow in
There
there.
you go. He's getting there. Here we go.
Oh shit!
Oh,
It's gonna,
there
it's
we
gonna
go.
make me. There you go. It's right there. I dropped it. I dropped it.
Very cool, boys.
I dropped it. I think that one might get it then.
We gotta beat him up.
Yeah.
You dropped yours too? Did you drop yours?
No, I put it in between my teeth.
Oh, that was smart. Can I try it again? Trying it one more time.
I know. I don't know why. You guys take your elbow.
Gotta do it up to your elbow.
Up to my elbow.
He took it. Hard to film it while I was doing it, but he did it. That's so funny.
Oh, we didn't get it.
Try to hold it between your fingers. That's what I. Oh, you're doing it that way, yeah. We'll come by.
No problem.
God, that was so much fun. I just fed a stingray. That's the first. Now I'm in the outside part. This is the sea turtle anatomy. This is where they have the sea turtles that they release back into the water after they rehabilitate them. Look at that giant sea turtle. That's in our natural waters around here. I tell you, these are the best kinds of videos, ones you don't even plan on. I said, let me go drive down by the Ponce, go check it out. And I didn't even know this was over here. You wake up today, well, what's gonna, I think I'll feed a stingray today. That was fun. Their mouths are cute. They have like a little sucking mechanism where they just suck it away from your fingers. So all the turtles that they're going to release once they rehabilitate them back into the ocean. So I know. Well, that was definitely worth the mission. That was fun. This is a little back area here outside. Now this is the Marine Science Center at Lighthouse Point Park. See that? Giant seashell. Beautiful area back here. Walking trails. I think you could get to the Ponce Lighthouse from over here. I like that shell display. In loving memory of conservationist Kenneth J. Russell. Nice.